There are two goals that you can do when you're starting as a virtual assistant. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today I'm sharing with you the type of goals that you can achieve when you are starting as a VA. Another term for virtual assistant that you hear more often is called work from home. The first path that you can achieve when you're starting as a VA is to just literally work from home. What do I mean by that? It means that you're still an employee and you prefer other people to find clients for you. For example, you want to be under an agency where agency can search for clients and contact you when you and the client match. And there's also called remote staff. You only work from home technically, so you don't market your business, you just wait for clients that you will help, because other companies are looking for clients and they are looking for VAs as well at the same time and match your skills with the client's needs. That is usually the first part of the goal that you are going to achieve, because you are transitioning from being an employee to being a virtual assistant. So the other goal that you can achieve is to build your own virtual assistant business, which means that you will have to do everything. You will market your business, you will look for clients, and everything that has to be done in your VA business will be done by you, unless you, of course, outsource some of the tasks. That's what we call an independent contractor. Now, the advantage of that is you handle everything and you don't pay for other fees. Because if you are under a company or an agency and you just technically work from home, there are some charges that you need to pay. And most of the time, these companies cut a percentage of your salary. Given these situations, you can think about which type of goals you want to achieve first, and there's nothing wrong between the two. It's always up to you. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. So thank you for watching this video, and please, if you do find my videos helpful, please share them, comment or like. Thank you for watching.